Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Kids, today is which day? Today is Monday. And the date is 9th November 2020. Kids, you have studied the sounds of vowel. Sounds of vowel, yes. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. Then you have studied four sounds of words of vowel. So today we are going to learn last sounds of vowel U. Okay, sounds of vowel U. So in that there are two types of words. Okay. So first see U C K uk, like uk. So if I'll add consonant before this, so what word will form? You can see here. If I'll add D, U C K, duck. Duck. What is that? Duck. D U C K, duck. If I'll add the consonant L, L U C K, luck. L U C K, luck. If I'll add the consonant B, B U C K, buck. B U C K, buck. If I'll add P L, P L U C K, pluck. Pluck. If I'll add S T, U C K, stuck. What is that? Stuck. So what are the words? Duck, luck, buck, pluck and stuck. Duck, luck, buck, pluck and stuck. Okay, like this. U L L, U double L, L, U double L. Okay. So before this, if I add the consonant B, B U double L, bull. B U double L, bull. If I add consonant G U double L, gull. G U double L, gull. If I add P, P U double L, pull. P U double L, pull. If I add F, F U double L, full. F U double L, full. Bull, gull, pull, full. Once again repeat after me. Bull, gull, pull and full. So these are U sound words. Yes, these are U sound words. You have to write in your CW. Okay kids? Thank you.